point of order. On a point of order. He's on a point of order. He's on a point of order.
No, your mic is there.
He has given notice for point of order. Now, honorable members, he has given notice on a point of order. That's why I'm calling. Let me listen to it. He's on a point of order. You are raising it. No. You already raised. You already said. No, it is not. See, you people cannot monopolize. No. The left side cannot monopolize. LOP spoke. Jayara spoke. Tiwari spoke. Now you are speaking. No. Subramania Swamy. Yes, Subramania Swamy. No, I am not allowing.
Order arises from.
You are monopolizing. You already spoke. Jayarame spoke. Four of you spoke. Let me listen to him.
Mr. Deputy Chairman, may I make my point of order? The Prime Minister.
The floor is given to Subramania Swamy. Floor is given to Subramania Swamy.
Obey.
Because he has given in writing that he want to raise a point of order. Please allow that. That has precedence. Anand Sharma, you already raised a point. Sit down. No. You cannot monopolize. No. He has given in writing a point of order. I have to allow him. I called him.
Thank you, Your Lordship.
Anand Sharma, no. Anand Sharma, I am not allowing you now. Let you wait until he completes. That is different. But I called him. If you are very particular, wait until he completes. Yeah. Don't try to force upon me. Sit down. Don't try to monopolize. No.
Chairman.
Subramania Swamy, as a member, has every right to raise a point of order. You raised everything. Why don't he do that?
Yes.
What is your point of
My
order?
point of order.
What is your point of order?
Is the government should make a statement on a very matter of great importance. The Prime Minister and the Chief Justice of India have spoken about the backlog in the Supreme Court. And
anyhow,
I'm coming.
That I will decide.
You are not.
I am listening to everybody's point of order.
Semi-literals.
Okay.
And I want to say that a very difficult problem. There is now a consensus that if the court decides a matter, which is I'm going to mention, that is the Ram Temple matter, both sides have agreed that if the Supreme Court decides, it's an acceptable solution to both.
Now, that is not a point of order issue.
Point of order is
that is not a point of order issue.
Narasimha Rao.
Yes. The Subramania Swamy had. It is not an issue of point of order.
The point of order is
it is not an issue.
Government must make a statement because contrary to that, the Solicitor General and the
you can approach the government, no problem.
Not agreeing to a day-to-day hearing.
You can approach the government.
Yes, I can.
In any case, it is not a point of order.
The of the House should be known that this is
now it is
the
not
Ram matter should be decided on a day.
I already said it is not a point of order. Then why do you want to question it?
The Ram Temple matter should be decided on a day.
I allowed. It is not a point of order. Sit down. I can only decide after listen. You sit down. What are you questioning me? Huh? I allowed. What is the Ram? No. You are questioning me. You cannot question me. You cannot question me. No. You see? Sit down there. I allow. See. No. I will have to. No. I will have to invoke Rule 255. That is what I will do. No. What is he doing? No. Sit down there. Honorable members. No. See. Don't think some people have special privilege. I allow everybody's point of order and listen to it. Listen. Let me complete this. and listen. I allow everybody's point of order and listen. The subject may be irrelevant. To decide whether it is relevant or irrelevant, I have to listen to that. I heard him. After hearing that, I said it is not a point of order. How can a member question that? That is a procedure I do every day. You cannot question that. Then what did you do? I have given the ruling. It is not a point of order. I gave the ruling. It is not a point of order. Then why did you question that? Now what is Anand Sharma? Are you on a point of order?
Yes, sir.
What is the point of order? Tell me.
Sir,
Tell me.
Sir, एक minute.
Anand Sharma.
Sir,
Now please, Anand Sharma. What is your point of order?
sir, I have an important point of order, sir. My point of order is about the proceedings yesterday in this August House. Sir, there were certain documents, sensitive documents from the Ministry of Defense, CBI and ED, which were read by one honorable member, less honorable rather, and he had promised to authenticate.
No, I gave the ruling.
Sir, my point of order is,
No.
A,
I gave the ruling.
the House must know how a member was given access to sensitive government files which he refused to authenticate until now.
No,
Which
no.
he read here.
Now listen.
That is my
I have given the ruling at that time itself that the papers you read should be authenticated and placed. If that is not complied with, no please, if that is not complied with, the rule will take its own course. Okay, sit down. That is enough. That is enough. Now I am not to explain to you now. Shri Zero over, Shri Chandrapal Singh Yadav. I told you, I have given the ruling that it has to be complied with. I gave the ruling, it has to be complied with. Sit down. Sit down. I am not allowing you. Sri Chandra, no, I am not allowing you. I am not allowing you. Not allowed. Not allowed. Please. Not allowed. Not allowed. Go back to your seat. Not allowed. No, I am not permitting you to place it on the table of the House. I am not permitting. See, with regard to matter raised by Anand Sharma, with regard to the matter raised by Anand Sharma, yesterday itself I had given the ruling that whatever was quoted should be authenticated and placed on the table of the House. That has to be complied with. Sit down. That has to be complied with. Sit down. Now, Chandrapal Singh Yadav, Chandrapal Singh Yadav, zero hour submission.
भैया जरा रुक जा 2 मिनट
Please, yes, Chandrapal Singh Yadav.
माननीय उपसभापति जी सदन का ध्यान
करके सबमिट कर दिया है। इनको जानकारी हम देना चाहते हैं कि आप जिस चीज के लिए
You are not permitted to distribute.
उससे ज्यादा चिंता स्वामी जी पहले ही कर लेते हैं।
Now, zero hour submission बोलिए।
माननीय उपसभापति जी मैं आज इस सदन
He has given a point of order. It's on a point of order. On a point of order. He's on a point of order. It's on a point of order.
No, your mic is there.
He has given notice for point of order. Now, honorable members, he has given notice on a point of order. That's why I'm calling. Let me listen to it. No, he's on a point of order. You are raising it. No. You already raised. You already said. No, it is not.